Ndemero nabaga nechinse mu kiri kikolete banga kikaunti kyonsibire county Nyamira county ya Kisii bono nigo obwamatandake bwarokane nemono kubwatekana namagendero ayagendeto ikerani gwa chinse mu kyonse nemone county Nyamira county ya Kisii kolengana ne kembe gya poll track ikobono kya kurubutuki kubwatekana n'obakuru wa Gavana nigo gyatebire bune county so mu Gavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nabo igamono mu Gavana we county Nyamira Mosinyaribo ngati ya Gavana wali bagandeto ikerani manga nemona so bakore bwabo kolengana ne kembe gya poll track nigo batebire buna chikura cyari wakwa ane mono asentunde ye gani go baregati ya Gavana barera ni wasentunde ya kabira sabo korri bwabo buna Gavana bechi county gati ya county chenenga mone county ya Migori county ya Siamane chi county chinde echibona Gavana wa rokane go kolibija ane mono bakagere barera ni asentunde ya kabire asabo korri bwabo ekumbe ya poll track no gyate birobutuki bune watebe gukora kubwatekana no kubwatanye ogo sangirira ebirengere kurwa saba Kenya igoro ya magendera bono bokorri bwa Gavana kurwa sechi county.
A notable outcome of the whole study is that there has been a great improvement in the incorporation of the views of the public. That public participation really improved. I don't know if we would attribute this to the uproar by the Gen Z that has made everybody in the public sector now want to incorporate the public in decision making. So there was quite a marked improvement in that metric that is public participation. Other metrics of revenue correction were fairly okay. And the proportion of own source revenue, and this is demonstrated by the secondary data that we got from the Office of the Control of Budget, that there has been marginal improvement in terms